Alright, hello everyone. This is Bill Murray again. I'm at my mom's farm and just showing off her amazing animals. This is Apple and Snow. These little guys we had for a while and they are just so adorable. So the green one is Apple and the white one Snow. I'm not sure when we got Snow, but we had Apple for a while. But when these two are together, they're a little bit playful. But not only that, we love birds, and we also got some baby chickens. I'll show you guys in another video. But right now, enjoy the little birdies that we have here. So I'm also going to introduce you to our pig Alice and her little piglets in another video as well. But pretty soon I'm going to show all the animals that we have here, including our chickens. We have like over, I think, 80 or 90 chickens here. But here's a little close-up of our birdies. I think Apple is trying to get a little attention as well. Yeah, I think he's trying to be a show off. Yeah, this is our birds. We got chickens. We got a lot of animals here. I'll introduce you to them one by one. But if you like this little video, subscribe, hit the like button, and comment down below on what animal do you want to do next.